All right, here's the live stream, people. Here is the live stream. Let's see here. Yeah, here we go. You know, like I said, always in the beginning, I'm going to talk about what's on the agenda today. What's on the agenda is I'm going to be talking about a new plan. I'm going to be doing a new plan here. Hello, my friend. I'm going to be doing a new plan, GOOGL. I'm going to be talking about the market. We're going to be talking about how to become a member inside of Power Group Trade. So before we go into all the other facts, okay, so new people, you know, if you're watching this video right now, waiting for people to come in, but in the meantime, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. And so let's do that. Let me so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring this up. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, we can see enough information. Yes, we can see enough information here. Okay, now people, so Power Trigger Trade confirmation is key. So some stuff is cut off here. So basically, what you want to do is you want to read what I said over here. So you know, it's common sense, right? And basically, one of the simple things what you want to be doing to get yourself fast-tracked is when you're ready and you like my work, what you should be doing is retweets and likes. Like, see how you see a retweet and like? That's because these are people who want to do it, retweets and likes, and they build up when they have time. See retweet, like, see how active my stream is, retweet. Well, that's what you are. You're a part of a group. These people want when you're inside of my group, Power Group Trades, you want to retweet and like my work. This is where people who do this see value in what I do, and they will do what it takes to stay a member inside of Power Group Trade. So listen up, people. What you want to have is a profile pic, and it could be of something to do with stock charts, success, or a picture of yourself. Right now in Power Trigger Trade confirmation is key. You see, I put this. I had my picture. That's Power Trigger Trade, yours truly, right over here. But I had my picture over here. But I made a new banner, and then basically what you want to do, people, is you want to go to Power. You want to go to my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let me customization here. Isn't this nice, people? Look at the new Power Trigger Target Trades banner. Oh yeah, people, that's right, people. Look at that new banner, Power Trigger Trade, and the new video. Oh man, and I'm going to be making some improvements to this new intro video. I got some great ideas on it. Power Trigger Trade, people. This is the smoke of the bull coming out. Massive smoke, massive gains. You understand what I'm saying, people? All right, now, so basically what you want to do is when you want to be studying my channel, you know, study the created playlist, you want to know what I'm about. So then what do you do next? After you do your retweets and likes, people, what you do is you type in Power Group Trades, Power Group Trades, right? It's a locked account. But basically what you do is you send me a request by hitting the follow, and also send me a message telling me why you want to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. Okay? So make sure you listen carefully to the live stream. The live stream, you can always rewind backwards and then listen to everything that I said. I've explained to you what you need to do to become a member inside of a Power Group Trades. All right, now. So let me get back to the charts here, people. Hello, everybody. Hello. So basically, people, what I've done is I've explained in the beginning of this live stream, especially to the new people, and I will say it a few times as we go along, how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. You know, another question I'm considering whether to do live streams on Sunday evening. You know, like 10 o'clock. I wonder whether that's going to be more effective for people, because a lot of people could be tired. You know, I had people telling me that they couldn't come to the live stream because on their time it's going to be like 2:30 a.m. It's like too late for them or too early. It's just, I got to figure out when's the best time to do these live streams. So we will figure it out. We'll see how Wednesday goes. If I don't see the numbers I want to see, because I put amazing live stream last week. I put the, by the way, let's talk about Netflix, people. Let's talk about the Netflix. I gotta shift this around because this thing here doesn't give me the NFLX. It doesn't fit everything in this box. I have to shift my chart a bit. Let me shift again. Or no, a little bit this way. Okay, so basically, you know, I made a plan inside of Power Group Trades. It was last week on Wednesday. That was June 13th. And basically, we just witnessed 100% gains. And let's put up the options. Let's put up the options together. And let's talk about the power of a big picture expert. And I'm going to be giving a new plan later on. So pay attention. PowerTarget Trade, you're the big picture expert speaking. So let's put, unlike the stock clown can't do this stuff, right? Stock clowns can't do this stuff, you know, just like that guy. Actually, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about on Twitter, people. We'll have a laugh together. PowerTarget Trade. You know, I decimate and I cremate. These guys, they can't handle the truth, you know. Listen to me. I decimate and cremate out there. You understand what I do? I decimate and cremate. They run for their lives, these people. Okay? Who wants to say something against what I say? They get decimated and cremated. You know what I'm saying, people? So here it is, people. Look at this. The 380 calls, they closed today at $4,700. Now, at the time of the plan, they were $2,000, right? That's doubling your money in about 4 or 5 days of holding. Let's take a look. So we entered, so this was, let me move this, let me see. Oh, damn, this is the problem with this. Okay, so what this does is show the thing. I know what to do. Don't worry about it. I fix this problem. I fix. We need to see enough. Okay, so now what happens when I hit this over here? No, we don't see a funcool, man. Not perfect, the situation. So we have to lose something to gain something. Okay, I noticed that now. Okay, so until I figure out how to get the whole screen. Okay, so now when I click over here, do we see the price won? No. Yes, we do. Okay, there it goes. So there you see. That's enough information. Okay, so now you can see it. All right, people. So look at. So this was the Wednesday, okay, when I made the original plan, and Netflix was at $379.93, and we entered on the confirmation of $385, right? And so we closed up that day $7. Then there was some sideways consolidation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days to double your money in large priced options. Okay? And do you want to know something? It was so easy to hold. It was one of the most easiest option trade to hold. The options gave you the confidence. They never went against nothing. From confirmation, it was just straight out gains in holding the proper way. It was too good. And that's the difference. I am the big picture expert. Stock clown. Decimating stock clowns, old world thinkers. I'm the new leader. Me. World leader. You understand? The leader. And I'm training a team. My team. We're going to rule. We're going to rule this game. You understand? PowerTarget Trade is above all. Health, wealth, got it all together. God on my side. You follow people. You want to follow? You want to become a member inside of Power Group Trades, the best in the world, right here, right now. Nobody, and I mean nobody, is as good as PowerTarget Trade. And nobody. All right, except the people that are in my group can do as well. You know what I'm saying? Because they're studying with me, and you know they're the only ones. But anybody else, compared to my group, decimation. And then with the big picture expert on their side, more decimation. All right, now people. So we went over the Netflix plan, and you can see the video I posted, documented from start to end, unlike anything else you ever seen in your life anywhere. Nobody never will duplicate what I'm doing. No one. All right, people. It's just too much work. Power trigger trade, people. Too much work. All right, so let me move this over a bit. Get back to the price point. All right, and so then, oh, I gotta move it back here. So now, forget about what the. I gotta. Just give me a sec, people. So then I gotta put Amazon now. Let's go over to Amazon now. Amazon. I want to talk about Amazon, people. Before I take questions, you just gotta listen to me talk. Power trigger trade talk, right? So Amazon. I don't need to show them. You know what? I'm going to point to the thing and tell you the prices. That's all. And then you can look at your own. You can look at your own charts. So, Amazon, we went into the. Let me just move this here. The June 22nd. Now, what happens? We had a rollover. Now, the June 22nd calls, because it did pull back Amazon, as you can see, they still closed up pretty good. About 1,600. The spread's sometimes a thing, but around about $1,600, $1,700. Okay, now we got in this, and this went against about 40% at one point of the day, this day over here, but we held. I actually posted a message inside of Power Group Trade saying that I'm putting my stops for Amazon, that it could come back. I knew there was a lot of reversal buy the dip type of action happening in a lot of stocks, and therefore I knew we had to play the proper support, and Power Trigger Trade calculated the exact support with the option price. This is why you want me to be your leader, the one to tell you everything what to do when I do the next level. See, I'm the big picture expert. I'm a guider. You know, I'm the best at everything. I'm the best guider. And I didn't have to do that, but I wanted to demonstrate the power of Power Trigger Trade. The big picture expert, my holding skills, my decision skills, adapting to the market on a daily basis. Master at reading what the market is saying. You see, the old world thinkers, they can't do this stuff. I will bankrupt them. I warn any of them. You want to go against Power Trigger Trade, you're going to go on the street. I guarantee it. So I welcome the challenge. I welcome it. I already know. I'm going to show you a guy I decimated and cremated. He ran for his life. Let me show you guys, people. Let me show you another decimation. Okay, people, let me let me show you another decimation here. Give me a second here, people. Give me a second here while I pull up the screen when I pull it up. Let's laugh all together, people. You know what I'm saying? Let's laugh together here. Power Trigger Trade. Okay, now people, listen up. A lot of jealousy out there. They can't handle it. The damn clowns out there. There you are, Power Trigger Trade. Yours truly. All right, now listen up, people. Look at this guy here. What's his name? This guy made he put a comment that he was wrong, Netflix, right? So I gave him a message. See, I said, yup. Oh, and you know what he did? This yo-yo bird blocked me. Ha ha! Mark W. Yusko. You want to look at another clown? Mark W. You see, these guys got lots of followings, but they give bad advice. They don't have skills. They work for companies. They don't work for themselves. They couldn't do what I do. Capisce? You understand, people? I'm the back. I clean it up, man. If the firm hires me, their firm becomes the richest firm in the world. If they were smart, but I don't want to bother working for a firm. See, they have to pay me too much money, hundreds of millions of dollars to run their stuff, but they would make millions, hundreds of millions of dollars that have to pay yours truly, Power Trigger Trade. But I don't want to waste my time with the firms. I will help the smaller people in life. This is Power Trigger Trade. I got bigger plans in my life just about than making money, people. It's about health. But I have the skills to decimate anybody. World record holder, I will take him. I will put him into the broke holder. Completely broke. If he went against me plan for plan, I show him that he can't do what I do. I would bankrupt him. Do you know why? I can tell you, February 11, 2016, I decimated and cremated him. I have the technical proof. I have all the proof. Just like the stock clown, I annihilated the stock clown. I annihilate this guy, and I annihilated Peter Brent. Same thing. Clowns, old world thinkers, clowns. They just talk, and they don't. I'm the only one who guided this market higher. That's why we're seeing all these great gains. Power Trigger Trade, #1. Power Trigger Trade, the best, people. The best. Simply the best, okay? That's the facts. And the people, they can't handle it. They can't handle who's the best. Now, everybody that's new coming in, I see more people coming in. Listen, people, if you're a new person, what you want to do at the end of this live stream, you got to go in the beginning of the live stream to hear yours truly talk about how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. Listen, you're witnessing history in the making. We are going to decimate the market. It's a new era, and you need to think differently. And my technology keeps on killing it. The old world thinkers don't know what to do. The Peter Brandts, the Dan Sangers. The Dan Sanger don't trade, okay? Dan Sanger just posts plans. Dan Sanger doesn't even go in his own plans. Dan Sanger, a fraud. Guarantee you. And I will, listen to me. I guarantee you, if anybody was coming with me, if they wanna make a name for themselves and want to see a person go broke, I tell you, you come with me. I will decimate just about anybody out there with plan for plan. They can't do it like me. My system is so powerful, and I haven't scratched the surface yet. And I'm working, and I'm teaching some people to work with me. We are ruling. My system going to rule. Look what I did with Amazon, with Netflix. I help anybody. Look at this. Even with a small person with a small account, all they had to do is they buy one Netflix call. They doubled their account. They doubled their account with zero risk. People, capisce? Do you understand what I just said to you? Who does that? Nobody. I put the perfect option plan. I thought about this carefully. How to help the people. PowerTarget trade. Okay? It was easy to hold. My options. Capisce? You understand me, people? And you can listen to it again in the beginning. If you missed it, you can listen to it. And people that'll miss the live stream, listen to what I'm telling you, people. There's nothing like this out there. This little penny stock traders. I told Tim Sykes, come into my sandbox. I will bankrupt you. There'll be headlines: bankrupt Sykes. I guarantee you can't do what I do. I guarantee it. I tell, come on, come play with a big boy. Come on. Tim Sykes broke, bankrupt. I challenge him. I challenge Zanger. I challenge him. Bankrupt. Guaranteed. It'll be. I will take the challenge. You know, some people. I would take the challenge to prove it. That's why I tell him he better apologize about the February 11, 2016, because PowerTarget trade coming after him. First of all, he'll never. Because he knows he'll be decimated. He'll run for his life. He don't have the skills. He don't have the skills. And I know I would win. And whoever want to come with me to make a great jackpot to annihilate him, they'll be happy and they'll have a great name. That's another story, people. I'm telling you right now, I will decimate and cremate. That's how confident I am. Decimate and cremate. Skills are getting bigger and bigger. What I did with the Netflix plan was just stupendous. Stupendous. Amazon, great gains in Amazon, right? And I demonstrated and I show it, okay? Option. Anybody, even with a small account, listen, $800 option, okay? $2,500 few days later. They were weekly options too, okay? So you need very good timing skills. It went against this. The Amazon was a little bit harder because if I'm using weekly options, okay, they're a little bit harder, okay? Amazon happened to be a harder trade than a Netflix. Netflix, so smooth, it was like incredible. That's why I actually chose those calls to make sure that that there would be a little, not so much against the person in case, but you know what? The Netflix plan, people, 0% against. Anybody that witnessed it, because I know I was inside it, I went, listen, I go into my own plans, and the majority, 90 to 95% of the time, unless it depends how many things are going on, I'm inside my own plans, okay? So the Netflix, Tesla, all these, we're making a great game, especially my group members. If I'm out of one, they're in it. The point is, we go in what we preach. Every single plan. Dan Zanger doesn't do that. A lot of services don't do that. Majority out there, I would say about 95%. They just pop out plans. They don't care about you. They don't care about you like PowerTarget Trade does, okay? That's the difference, okay? I put my heart and soul into this, okay? And there is nobody doing it like PowerTarget Trade. And more power will come to me because God knows what I'm doing. God knows my effort. God is on my side. You understand, people? And when God's on your side, no one can beat you. I'm here to clean up the mess out there. That's why I tell you, Zanger, clean him up. Junk. He shouldn't even be around. He should just retire, okay? Because he doesn't go into his own plans. He doesn't. He even admits it. So why do you preach a plan, preach a volume criteria, and yet none of your plans meet it? Only maybe 5% of them meet it. That's why I don't like false. And I decimated and cremated him February 11, 2016. I have this documented. Okay, I have it documented, eye-opening. See, people are sleeping at the wheel. A lot of people deserve to be broke. But I want to help the people who want to succeed in life. That's a small minority out there, by the way. You know, if I'm helping 1,000, so I know this already. A majority of the people lazy, they're going to go nowhere in life. They just don't have what it takes. They don't have and they don't deserve it. They deserve to be broke. But the people who want to come with Power Trigger Trade, the New World Order, the new movement to help the right kind of people. I don't want to help the wrong type of people. I want to help the right type of people. And I'm going to do something very unique out there, people. Unlike anything else, it will never be duplicated because it's too powerful. And I'm only going to get more and more powerful. The firms are going to come knocking on my door. Can you help us? Can you help us run things? Power Trigger Trade? No, because my fee would be too high. It's not about money, people, right? So if they pay me hundreds of millions of dollars to make them billions, okay, with my technology systems and stuff that I would do, who knows what I could come up with? I mean, but the thing is that I don't want to. It's not about money, only about making money. It's about health, people. Money, I got money to live beautiful. It's about the health. See, and I'm going to be doing a new thing, health and wealth, people. Power Trigger Trade in about a couple of weeks. I'm so busy with the market, but I'm going to be announcing I'm going to be doing something new, a health thing, okay? And that video, I'm going to show you why you want to listen to me. I'm going to explain a great thing, and I'm going to get the fitness community involved into the thing. So I'm going to go into the fitness community to bring up my channel and to get them into investing eventually. And then the investment community will want to invest for their health, because what good is it that you're making money with Power Trigger Trade? What good is it if you're an overweight person or you got high blood pressure or whatever and you don't got your health? Power Trigger Trade, I'm 46 years old, people, and you know what I do? I decimate the young people out there. My own kids, my own boys, they can't keep up with Power Trigger Trade. Can't keep up. They got a long ways to catch up to the strength and the power, Power Trigger Trade. You know what I'm saying, people? They can do it, but they got a while. They got a while to catch up, Power Trigger Trade. Meanwhile, I'm around their age, man. I was pretty much stronger. No two doubts about it. I could keep up with myself. Now at my age, but. But anyways, people, that's the importance. Power Trigger Trade. Let me tell you quickly about Power Trigger Trade. I'm going to be, by the way, people, I'm going to be talking about a new plan. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'm going to be demonstrating a new plan, and of course, that confirmation we posted inside of Power Group Trade. So make sure you go into the live stream and you study. Get yourself into Power Group Trades. Capisce? You understand, people? Get yourself in. I don't take anybody. Listen, I want to prove something to you, people. I want to prove something, people. I want to prove something. I know I've been talking, people. I will answer some questions. Hello, Dexter. I will answer a question, people. Just hold on a second, because Power Trigger Trade, I gotta just to show people, because they don't understand. Give me a second here. No, let me just give me a second here to get inside of my damn thing here, into my Power Group Trades, and I want to show people something, because I think people don't understand. Capisce? I don't think they understand. Okay, so I'm going to show people what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm going to bring this up so people see here in the live stream. You see here, 51 pending. I could have. See, people don't understand. I don't care about the. I want the quality, not the quantity. 51. That these people don't get inside of Power Group Trades because they don't know what they don't listen. They don't follow. They don't listen. I know they're donkeys, and I don't want them. Capisce? If you're not if you're someone out there, you listen to what I say, or you're not getting inside. Power Trigger Trade, I only want the people who are serious about success, not lazy donkey people. What's the point? They're not going to get anywhere anyways in life. If they don't, if they, you know what I'm saying, people. So why would I want to waste my time? So I created a filtering system, and it's working the best. This way I'm doing it. New brand way, new way, and it's working. It's working, people. Power Trick or Trade. It's working. Um, okay, so before I go into new plans, power. Okay, so there's some questions here. Oh, this Marco Arrow. You must be somebody new. What do you think about DDD, Revolutionary Tech? And yeah, DDD probably, I hasn't seen it on my, can you trigger trade discipline with 9 to 5? You know, the answer, Marco, is that a lot of my plans, you need to be available for the first hour of trading. You gotta, you know, it's possible. It's possible, but probably you would need more of a service. A 9 to 5 job, it's possible for you to do it if you, well, you know, with my direction, yes, it's possible. But one of the keys is you want to watch the first hour of trading. A lot of my best plans, you know, the Netflix plan, for example, Marco, you could have gotten that plan, 9 to 5 job, easy. Even it's possible. Even the Amazon was possible, especially when I made that special thing. But usually, you know, people, you know, Marco, I have people that actually pay me to tell them what to do on every single metric. You know what I'm saying? But inside the group, there are people that are able to do enough of what I'm posting right now. All right, now, but you're new. Make sure you subscribe. Get yourself in the Power Group Trade. Study, 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 and don't worry. Yes, and yeah, you know, Dexter. Yes, I've done it. Okay, so Dexter here, you know, Dexter works. Dexter, what kind of job? What's your time, Dexter? Dexter's made a lot of great money with me. Lots of great money. There's a great story with Dexter I'm gonna have. You know, Dexter sent me about $600 gift, you know, for the Apple reversal back in February 11, where the market, where I, you know, he listened to what I said, added more money, and made like $40,000 on that Apple trade. Yeah, Radiant, yeah, therapist. So he's got a pretty difficult job, but following my instructions, Dexter is making the dollar bills, so it can be done. It can be done, Marco. But what you've got to do is really study. You know, don't even take the trades. Listen to me, Marco. But study. Get involved. It's going to help you. Trust me. Everything I have you do, retweets, it's going to help you get. It's going to study the videos. Listen, all the videos. Study, Marco. Understand? Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Get a profile pic. Get the Twitter account. You know, subscribe to the Twitter because it's very important. And YouTube. And get involved. It's going to help you. Power Trick or Trade, yours truly will help you. Guaranteed you. See, Jason Brodwowski, love the commitment and emotion. Sandro killing it. See, it's a new follower inside of Power Group Trades. You know, a lot of people, Mark, will send me dollar bills. You know, lots of my followers, lots of dollar bills being sent out of free will. They don't even have to, but they do it out of free will, out of the heart. You know, and those are the people that are really helping everybody else too, because that motivates me. And you could see me continually doing a lot of great things. You know, people, every time, Brodowski. Brodowski. Let me see. How the hell do I? Yeah, Brodowski. Polaki. I had a good Polish friend. Joe Morocco. I had a good Polish friend in school. Joe Morocco. Well, I don't know if it was Morocco or whatever, but he was a good buddy of mine. Polish guy. Polish Joe. I'd go. You know what? We'd even go to the Polish clubs together. You know, when we were back in the days, picking up the Polish girls. You know, back then there was a place, I forgot what this was. This Polish place we went to. I went with my, you know, at the time, you know. Anyways, let's not get to that, to the club things. Yeah, good friends, Polish friends, Pakistani friends. You know, Italian friends, you know, I have a really good buddy, but I mean, for some reason, other races I've had more connection with. Number one race that connects with me is Pakistani race. Number one race. They love me, the Pakistani. I have the best. I don't know, this best experience with Pakistani people. So I don't know what it is, but that's how it is, people. But anyways, but Italians, not, you know, not the best. I don't know why that is, but not the best. I have good Italian friend, but you know, not the best. I'm not the best with my kind, but other kinds, different story. I don't know why that is. But anyways, people, it's people are people. I'm just saying, you know, Italians. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Anyways, people, let's get to this. So listen up now. I think people want to know. We're going to talk about. We're going to do what I did last week. Okay. I think that was really good. Now let me make sure we can see everything. So there's the thing. And when I click here, let me just make sure. Okay, so we got to move a shift a bit more. We don't need to see the price of the stock because the person can see. Oh, fuck, shit. Move a little bit more this way. I got to figure out how to get this software to show the whole screen properly. It does not, people. It does not. You understand, Stock Clown? But at least I do live stream, Stock Clown John. You know, unlike you being quiet. You don't been making videos, Stock Clown John. You know why? Because you're confused. See, you don't have the skill. All right, people. Google L. Let's talk about Google L. Okay, GOOGL. I like this stock a lot now. Okay. So let's do a plan right in front of your faces. Okay. What I usually do. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put the options that I want to look at. So there's June 29. Let me click here, the symbol here, the calls. Give me a sec here. Okay, that's the one that I want. Okay, so listen up, people. Now I'm going to do it like I always do it. So I'm going to just do it like I pretend. I'm actually going to post this. Okay, so basically what I do now is I'm going to draw. Okay, so I'm going to say Google L is set up to test. These are the kind of plans I make inside of Power Group. Set up, see what I mean? This is why when I do things fast enough. Set up to test 1,240 to 1,250. Okay. Now we might have to have more than one option plan. It really depends on, and it depends if this confirms or whatever. This isn't. These are we're going to be using weekly calls, 1 week out. We don't need monthly calls here. It's too expensive with. Well, you know what? I got to take a look. But right now, I'm going to just put these right now. I'm going to take a look. So the June 29. So these are the ones we're going to go for. Right now, they're about $950. Okay. So I will say the June 29 1,200 calls could be used. Could be used. And then what I do, people, is then I take an arrow like this, and I usually highlight the. And you can see now I have the open interest. You can see. There was actually, you want to know something interesting, people? So the open interest yesterday was 2.9K. Today 4.9K options were traded in the June 29 call. So these are the ones we're going to look to get into. Okay, and so basically I'm going to post the confirmation inside of Power Group Trade. So what I'm going to just write here, I will post the confirmation. The confirmation number and confirmation inside of Power Group trades. Also, I'm not going to be talking about the Tesla plan, but I'm also working on a Tesla plan. I have to see how it goes, but definitely we're looking to get in another Tesla plan. Great gains in Tesla. Great gains in Google L. In fact, Google L, Dexter has been. I was not in Google L, but Dexter has been in Google L. But I told Dexter that there's going to be that I was going to that I like. Excuse me, I like Google L for higher prices still. Dexter has killed it in Google L. I was so busy with other plans, and I did not bother getting into Google L, but Dexter did. You know, Dexter is hard worker. You understand, people? I know. See, that's the kind of people I attract the best. You know what I mean? Dexter. I got stories about Dexter. We'll be talking more about that. But Dexter's a hard worker, and you know, Dexter has a works a tough shift. The guy's up 4 or 5 in the morning. You know what I mean? and he's still doing this, and he takes time. You know, anyways, I'm not going to get into everything about Dexter right now, but that's what I'm trying to tell people. Like, you can't do what I'm asking you to do. Simply view my videos. I tell people to study and you do the retweets. If you can't do that, you're going to fail to succeed. You just don't have what it takes. Dexter has done all these things and 10 times more. So that's why I know. I know the successful people, and I know what they do. That's why I know if I kick you out of Power Group Trades, you're going to fail in life. Mark my words. You're going to fail. Fail. With me, you'll succeed. So you do what I tell you. I know what I'm talking about. Power Trick or Trade, I busted my you know what to get where I am in life. Nobody has an idea the work and what I put into it. God knows. Only God knows this the most. But I understand what I had to go through. Why? Because now I'm so on top of the game. It blows my mind. I have a confidence through the roof. Listen to me, people. Through the roof. You know why? Because I'm a new leader. And I know I'm a new leader. I was born to be this. I had to go through what I had to do to become a massive leader. Teacher, leader, you name it. Power Trick or Trade. Power Trick or Trade. All right, people. Yeah, you know, lots of work. Lots of work. But I love it. You know what I mean? Any questions? Anybody new out there have questions? Yeah, lots of stories of Dexter I'm going to have in the future. Lots of stories. Do I teach my skills? Yeah, but my skills, right now, no one can come inside that group. It's already kind of full. It involved an investment, Marco. And the investment was $30K, right? So far, I have taught this to 3 people, but one of the guys doesn't, you know, it's not for him. He didn't, you know, but he invested. So I have 3 people who invested, but the other 2 guys that I'm training right now, they work with me and they have made the investment, $30K, Marco. $30,000 a piece to work with me. It's a special group. They made the investment, right? So they study with me. I study with them at least 4 hours per week, every week. Twitter, yeah, Eric, remember I told you to get into Twitter? We bought the 40 calls. Remember I told you to get in. If you bought the 40 calls when I told you, you're making money, right, Eric? Can you type that you bought the Twitter? Yeah. Yeah, so Twitter, Eric is. Let me close this. This plan here, because it's already there. So Google L, people, I'll be posting that. I really like Google L, so look out for that inside of Power Group Trades. Let me hold on a sec, people. Let me get the damn. Okay, so I'll close this up. So Twitter, yeah, TWTR, yeah. So. Yeah, this one, Eric, it's very strong, Twitter. I suggested to buy the July, and they're up nicely, aren't they, Eric? What did you pay for the July? You should have paid like, I don't know, like what, $500 at the time I said to buy them. What did you pay for them, Eric? The July 40 calls. Yeah, what's the price? Can you post the price that you paid, Eric? Now, Eric has sent me. I think 3 to 4 gifts of $200, people, just for people who are watching, gifts out of free will. So inside the live stream, he asked me the question, and I gave him the answer, and I'm pretty sure he went to buy those calls right away, because that's what we're inside, Eric. The group, me and in the group, we are inside it. Okay, that's okay. Okay, anyways. It's okay, Eric. So basically, you're up nicely, and I know because I know because the price that I talked about you could have entered. I said to get him, go buy Twitter, right? And the next day, if you bought the Twitter, those 40 calls, they are up significantly now. They haven't doubled anything. Like I knew this was more of an investment. It'd be a little slower. It's not going to be like a Netflix. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got to understand, like, not all, like, it depends on the, because Twitter had moved. We already had a great gains in Twitter, 500% gains on the 34 calls. But people that wanted to get in more, I suggested as a longer term plan to buy the 40 calls, because I believe we're going to hit 50 soon, or soon enough, that you can only win, you know, most likely have a high opportunity to win. So Twitter is doing very well. That's a plan that I didn't officially post, but I did mention it in the live stream. Yep, I mentioned it in the live stream. You see, people, I give the best advice. You see what I'm saying? Like, I tell it how it is, right? Now, the stock clown, he can't do these things. They can't do this stuff. These so-called capital, what the hell? What was that guy? He was I think he's a man. He runs something. They just don't have the skills. That's why they have to work for somebody. They can't do what I'm doing on their own. They couldn't do this stuff. That's why they hide behind the money of other people. You know what I mean? They hide behind the money of other people and then lose their money, or don't get into great trades like Netflix, because they use their old metrics of viewing the world. Old metrics. Old metrics. Retire. Retire. Follow me and just listen to me, and you'll do 20 times better. That's it. Just retire and invest in PowerTarget trade. That's all you got to do. Because the knowledge and power I have is too difficult to, it's not possible. Listen, there's nothing out there that can duplicate. It's so unique what I'm doing, how I hone it down, and there's people they know who studying with me, understanding. They're still trying to really understand everything, but they're understanding more and more because we work and they see everything, and I explain everything one-on-one, right? But that's very detailed, very time-consuming. Yep. SPY flying good. More dollar bills. More dollar bills for Netflix calls. Oh, stock call, John. And not only to mention our SPY calls, right, Dexter? We're in the SPY call. Hopefully Apple starts picking up. It was very, 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 very slow. And of course, that should be good for Twitter. Oh, stock clone. Oh, poor stock clone. Oh, poor stock clone. Anyways, people, any more great questions from some? Oh, Roland Trips is new. Yes, how much money would you recommend to start with? Well, Roland, you want to start with at least 5K. Now, if you go with 5K, I recommend you buying no more than one to two options per plan, and no more than the options that cost $200 to $500 a piece. So you have to limit. You should, you know, if you want to go into a Netflix plan of mine, when I come up with those that have the time, you shouldn't go on the weekly. Not too many. Maybe one weekly option. Okay. And slowly build your account and go very small, 1 to 2 contracts per plan, okay? 1 to 2 depending on the price of the options. Thank you, Sherrod R. Okay, who's that answer? That guy's question. I can't. Where is that guy? I think you're Roland. So that's the answer, Roland. Now are you new, Roland, to the group? Are you new? If you so, remember, make sure to subscribe, Roland, and I suggest you study my created playlist on my YouTube channel. Study any video. Just doesn't matter that you don't get into anything. Study. You will get the confidence. No one has done what I'm doing. They can't do it from start to end. No one takes the time. I do it this way. You know why? I put passion into my plans. All my plans, I want to go inside myself, people. See, these services don't have that passion. You know, Dan Sanger don't have that passion. Okay? He made his money on easy market conditions. Easy. Clown conditions. Clown. Now the guy just sits and talks about the pasado, but when it came to what accounts, February 11, 2016, I clearly showed him he was the amateur. He was making fun of people. I owned him. Dan Sanker, come on, man. February 11th, let's go back there. I'm going to decimate you and cremate you. You'll run for the hills. You know you're wrong, Dan Sanger. You know it. You know it. I will decimate you. You understand me. I will decimate you, Sanger. Decimate. You will know. You'll be the world record holder for loss of income if you would go against me. That's how confident I am, because I saw how weak you were when it comes to the big picture. Weak! Not like me. Strong. Okay? They're all weak. Trade with Joe. Weak. Weak. Stock bookie. Weak. Clowns. I got the documented proof. That other guy that I showed on just on Netflix. Weak. Weak skills. Peter Brandt, super weak skills. Well, he's not bad, but weak compared to me. Weak. I got the proof. He was talking about the market. Listen, he didn't lead. He's not a leader. I'm the leader. He's just a damn guesser. He just posts this, that. Useless. Only Power Trigger Trade, I guided everybody to the dollar bills. And I got to document it and prove it in my live streams in April when everyone was negative. Do you understand, people? I'm the big picture expert. Me. Power Trigger Trade. I'm that confident in myself. And I know with my group that I'm teaching, the power is going to go exponentially. Exponentially. The power is going to grow. In accuracy, we're going to have even higher level of picks with higher accuracy with my new group that I'm forming. We're going to decimate the market out there. People are going to be knocking on my door to be a member because they got to follow my rules. You don't follow my rules, I don't want you. Out! Take your money and run. Get away. You follow my rules or you're out. I don't care. I don't need you. I only want to help the people who deserve the help, that want to help other people and spread the word of the truth. Power Trigger Trade. The new movement, the new era. I decimated and proven that. I decimated the stock bookie, stock John, clown, immensely eradicated him. Eradicated the other guy. He ran for his life when he saw my claim. He knows he was massively wrong. He knows. Instead of thinking, you know what, I should listen, I should study what this guy's saying. They just run for the hills. They're losers. They're going to go nowhere in life. That's why he works. He's going to retire a broke, unhealthy man. He missed his chance to follow the greatest there is. Power Trigger Trade, the leader in all metrics. Health, wealth, and family. Power Trigger Trade, I got it all. Down pat. Power Trigger Trade. That's why I'm a leader. And God has helped me see why I had to do what I had to do to become where I am. You understand, people? You understand. All right, now. Let's see what I said. What Eric says, any other Twitter calls you like given current levels? No, I'm just holding what I've got. I'm not going into any more Twitter, Eric. I have my position in it. I'm making dollar bills. I ain't going to do anything more than that right now. To be honest, we're inside. You know, there's other plans, Eric. I don't put all my money in one place. You got to move your money around. You know what I mean? Okay, so Ron said, okay, thanks. Weak, yeah. Would you recommend anyone else, maybe a distant second to you? Someone you? Why would I don't know anybody else. That's the problem. You know, you don't want distant second in the market, Marco. You want the best. Basically, you know what I mean? And, you know, to be in my group right now, I mean, it doesn't cost you anything, right? And that's part of the new story I'm doing. You know, like, I don't know why my second, I just know, like, people, I just see people around that do come out on the Twitter with people who want to open their mouth. I see what they're doing, but I really see that they don't match what I say. It doesn't matter who it is. It doesn't matter who it is out there. They can't do what I'm doing that can really help anybody out there. See, my plans actually call for direction. They get in and out within 5 or 10 minutes. They don't know how to hold direction. See my Netflix call plan? I clearly demonstrated it even in a live stream. You know, for anybody who wants to see it, right? I'm doing the Google L, right? I'm giving the heads up now. It has to confirm. We have to think. But Google L looks really solid to me, right? It may not be as simple. Be honest with you, it may not be as simple, but it's solid. It's on my radar, and I'm giving the heads up. right? And I'm going to have a plan for it. And if it confirms, we're going to get into it. High probability, we're going to make some dollar bills in it. Sometimes plans don't work out. We make small gains, right? Power Trick or Trade, we win big, though. We've been killing it in Tesla. We've been killing it in Netflix. We've been killing it in Amazon. I have so many multiple Amazon winning plans between the month of May and June. Capisce? And the market's still in chop. We haven't even moved the damn mark. We're not in the new highs where I want to be yet. So you can't imagine. Get yourself in some power group trades. You can't imagine the gains that are coming. You guys understand the Power Trick or Trade. I'm going to have a new website designed. As you can see, I got a new video guy, intro video guy who really made an awesome intro video. I got a guy make a new banner for me on Power. I got to be making health videos and doing some consultations for the lucky people who get to speak with me one-to-one. I got a lot of projects up in the air, people. I'm training people. I'm very busy. Power Trick or Trade, very busy. Power Trick or Trade with big plans. So you want to be with the big picture expert, you know what to do. Get inside, and I really like the I'm really happy when I get gifts sent from my group members. Very happy. I appreciate all the gifts. Dinesh, $1,000 gift for the Google Out plan. I documented in the video. Eric, multiple. There's a lot of, I can't remember everybody's name. A lot of people sent me great gifts. Keep it up, people. Keep sending the gifts. More power. Power Trick or Trade doing more things. I get more motivated, as you can see, right? I'm gonna be really that intro video is gonna be so amazing when I tweak it exactly the way I want it to be tweaked. That guy's on vacation right now. It's gonna be even better than it is. I want to probably have a couple of them. I'm working on a lot of great ideas because I want my work to be represented amazingly, It all stemmed from Fernando, one of my followers, people, created the logo for me, Power Trick or Trade logo, and I really liked it, and that's why you see me with my arm flexing up like that, is to emulate the bull with the arrow. And I happen to do that, and he happened to make this bull, amazing bull. Well, you see it right here, the Power Trick or Trade emblem, the bull, with the arrow. And amazingly, he made that right after I made that picture. And he didn't see that picture of me, and it was an amazing coincidental thing, and he said, I want to show you this, and he just made it out of free will. This guy did some graphic works for me, and that was then enhanced by a clown that just was that did some free work for me, but I had to really guide him, to tell him, no, the album he wanted to, I had to prove that he was wrong by doing some sort of a thing. But doesn't matter. Fernando's work, that symbol he created for me, simply speaks volumes. And now I've only enhanced it. I got people to enhance that simple but incredible image. And that was from a follower of mine. So now, but I don't know what happened to him. I think that guy was an investigator. I don't know what happened to the guy. But now I got other people to help me with the vision of the PowerTarget trades, the vision of my vision of the new era power group trades, unlike anything else. Who takes, see the effort I put in making the videos and all these things in the intro. I really take pride and care of everything I do, people. I put it all. Put my heart and soul into it. I don't know if you understand that. I don't know if people get it. They don't do that. None of these services do that. They're jokers out there. They're just jokers. People don't get it. Like who's with me? You're in gold. I guarantee you. But if you're a bad person, you're not going to make it. So only good people will survive with me. Only the good. I know good people. Listen. I have great people, great followers. I know what good followers are, people, or good or good group members are. I already know what they are. I got them inside, and the ones that are not good, I already know. That's why I kick them out. Boom, right out. I kick them out, block them. They're just going to be losers in life. They'll run to me. They're not coming in. I'm going to charge them. I'm going to charge them a fee if they come in. They want to come in. I'm going to charge them a fee. You want to come back in? Got to give me a nice sizable gift for your stupid mistake. Oh yeah. You're gonna see how it's gonna be. You don't want to get blocked by me, Power Trick or Trade. You don't want to get blocked by me. Yeah, that's great, Dexter. The futures are that we're gonna see tomorrow. Thank you, Sun here. Sun here. I can't pronounce your name. Sud here. But you're Indian, right? You're Pakistani, right? Sud here. You have to be Sud here. The best, man. The best people. Man, you people, you guys love me, man. You know that? You know how many I cannot tell you. I have the best experience with the Indian people. Number one people for me. Seriously, I don't know what it is. We get along. You know, I in fact, you know, do you want to know, Sud here? The people who are doing my work, the graphic work, it's all Indian people. The video guy is Indian. He's in India. The video guy. You see that? You see the intro video, Sud here? You see that? You see the banner? Indian. The new Power Trick or Trade banner, Indian. The best work. I got other people to do I got other people to do the work. They're no good. They don't do a good work. I don't know what it is, but I connect with the Indian. They invest in me. They like what I'm doing. They just, I don't know. We have a connection with the Indian people. I don't know what it is. Even in it doesn't matter. Even in Toronto, or same thing. It doesn't matter. That's the truth. New website, yeah. Well, it's not a new website. That's just a banner for YouTube. A new website's going to be designed. I'm going to be working with, again, it's going to be Indian designers, because they do the best work. I swear to you, you have no idea. They do the best work. You know what I mean? That guy did that. You know, the banner. I sent him a thing. He literally did it right away for me in 4 hours. You know, he did the thing. I mean, it took him less than that, but it didn't take him long. If I had other people do work, they didn't do a good job. I gave him a tip and everything, right? He was happy. I gave him a great rating and everything. That's my feel. I don't know what it is. That guy who made the video, that intro video, man, heavy, boom, beautiful. Hey guys, what do you think, Sud here? You see that? You see the intro video? And it's not even. He's still gonna do some little tweaks to it, because he's on vacation. Amazing intro video. I just like, wow, you know what I mean? Like I loved it, you know. And I'm gonna have him do some more work for me. I just love the, he again, the logo from Fernando. We got props to Fernando. The logo, all I've done is have people enhance it, but the work of that guy, great. So anyways, people, yeah, plus I have a lot of group members are Pakistani people or Indian people inside of my group. Also invested in me, also sent me gifts, you name it. I mean, I'm just saying that it's a great, a lot of people that are in the U.S. Really like me. In fact, the highest, it's really, I'm Canadian, but but I'm more U.S. based. Other countries are following me, but highest level is the United States, U.S., and then other countries as well. But a lot of great things. I like the new banner. Yep. I tell these guys my vision. I show them. I explain them stuff, and then they bring it out. You know what I mean? And like I said, that's why I actually work with the Indian people that do this work. They do web. They do banners, or they do intro videos, or they do websites. I work with them because they do the best work. I find, anyways. I lived in Mississauga for a year, and a year I was working out of Toronto. Yeah. But that's who I'm working with now. And I got and I got a couple of guys. You know, I haven't started a guy working on the website for me yet because I've been focusing on the intro videos and stuff like that, and it's not necessary right now because it's not but it's in the works anyways, and to showcase everything better, because that's not my forte. I'm going to give my forte to somebody to help explain what I want, and they do it because I'm focusing on the markets. You know, I'm not a graphic designer, but 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 everything came to life through members, people who follow me, who like what I do, and they wanted to help me out, and they gave me ideas, and that's how this all worked. And then I get hire people to help bring out the ideas better if they're not able to, or something happened, like Fernando. I mean, and that's how it goes, right? Something happened to him, and then I got other people taking over for me, right? Yeah, TO's okay. Any new people out there? Any question? You know, spy. You know, spy people. So spy. You know, spy. Not even do. Listen, we're making money. But SPY, you know, it has confirmed that we should go and test 283 to 285 next. And then, of course, you know, so the next break point is we want to take out, well, the 280. And then once we take out this is when the market goes into a new highs. But are we going there? Yes, we are, people. They're actually, what's the proof of this? Well, look at Netflix, okay? Look at Google, look at Amazon. This is a market already projecting for higher price, and we don't even have SPY going. We haven't even broken above the 280 zone. Now imagine when we do. If there's going to be so many opportunities to make money, it's not going to be funny. I've been having a headache of the money I've been making. Just a headache. It's just been non-stop. And I manage things too, people. You know, I have people tell them do this, do that, and then I have to post in the group trades, and I got to manage my. Oh, I've been having a headache these past 2 weeks, just killing it with dollar bills, killing it. Stock clown crying, grandma, just the negative talk. You know, everybody sees us as a clown. I told him I told him, stock clown John. The guy owes me if he was to go against me, guys, he'd be broke on the streets. Broke on the streets. Guaranteed, people. God knows it, and I know it. Broke on the streets. You're finished, stock clown John. You're finished. Do you think you will have your Discord chat server in the future? I don't know. I think I'm going to be doing everything on a private Twitter feed, because Twitter works fine. Any updates on Avago? Yeah, Avago, you know, it's fine. You know, we just gotta let it. We gotta let it move. It probably will move up tomorrow because Apple was very quiet today. It didn't show much power. But we just hold right now, David. So yeah, Avago, you know, performance of course today was sacolos. Yeah, you know what I mean. But doesn't mean that isn't going to make a move. So it's basically a hold, David. I'll post something if I don't like something. I'll post something, but it's a hold. We got time in it, David. You know what I mean? That's all I can tell you. You know what I mean? Avago is a funny stock, but I did pick good options that are high up. FedEx, FedEx right now, it's out of the. Well, let me take a look at FedEx. I haven't paid attention to FedEx right now because, yeah, see, FedEx is out of the loop right now. It's not my focus, Sud here, because, you know, it's not acting correctly. I'll have to, if I see a new signal, but right now, as we can see, it even followed drop lower. And I know my system does not like FedEx, especially that move right there. Of course, even regular charts it shows it, but I already knew there was issues from this day here, and then they followed through lower. It's probably going to need some time, unless there's a friggin' miracle to flip that around. It's going to need some time. Have you ever tried and automate your process, Sifa? No, not right. Not really. That could be something I do. It's probably it's hard to say. You know, that would take a lot of work for me to figure that out right now. But power trigger trade in the future, I might make a power trigger trade robot. You know what I mean? Who knows? There's all kinds of things I could be doing, Marco, in the future. to maybe have a, who knows, there's all kinds of things I can come up with in the future. I don't know, because there's a lot of, it's very very difficult. It's very difficult, my process. It's very advanced. It's hard to explain. There is a lot of adapting thinking that it involved, to be honest with you, Marco. All right, people, it's 10:35. Yeah, well, I'm not ready to look into that anyways. Code C++. Right now, everything I do is through my mind right now. Good night, Mez. Yeah, I think this is a good live stream. I didn't talk about, again, a lot of great plans in Amazon. The SPY is going higher. Twitter, Tesla, by the way. But I will be working on a plan for Tesla as well. But right now, the only thing I'll be focusing new for tomorrow, because I'm fatigued and you know what, I like it the most still, is Google L, and we'll be seeing if it can confirm. At the same time, we're managing our trades, trying to get more gains in Netflix and Amazon, and of course managing the other plans like Apple and Aviego and everything else. All right, people, have a good night. Dexter, any other people have a quick question? Anybody new out there? And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And also, people, at the beginning of this live stream, I explained how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. Listen, the power is here for you if you want it, but you got to want it. You've got to study. You've got to listen to what I'm saying word for word. Study word for word what I am saying. All right, people. Anybody want to say something quickly? Because I'm gonna go. Power Trigger Trade's gonna go. And night, Marco. Yeah, I'll be studying. It's like that's right. That's right, Marco. You take your time, right? There's gonna be, listen to me, Marco. Lots of opportunity in the future. Don't worry, Marco. Lots of opportunity. There's lots of years ahead, but there's lots of time this year. Lots of gains to be made. So study, study, study. Get yourself into Power Group Trades. Good night, Sanvar. Saravana. Saravana. I think it's Saravana. Right. Good night. Good night, Mr. Bling. And to you, Stock Clown John. Ha ha! You lose. Hamed. Good night. Good night, Hamed. You must be new. I never seen your name, Hamed. You see how many Indian people follow? As a new, yeah. Yeah. Good night, Hamed. Be well. And of course, a lot of Americans. Good night, Tony B. Oh, yeah, Tony B. Sent me a gift recently. Good night, Tony B. All right, people, and it looks like oh, you're Persian? Okay. Hamed. Oh, yeah, that's right. Hamed. Yeah, that's right. Probably Persian. You're right. Sorry about that. That's okay. That's okay. It sounded similar, but it's true because I'm starting to really learn the certain way the Indian names are there's a certain name to it, and yours is you're right. It's not. It's more. It's definitely not Indian. All right. Thank you very much. You're a new subscriber, Hamd. So study, study, study. Get yourself into Power Group Trades, and lots of opportunities. Don't worry. Oh, you are? You're subscribed. But are you inside of Power Group Trades? Because I don't recall this name. I could forget sometimes too, right? Can't keep track of everything. New people coming, people going, you know what I mean? But anyways, get yourself into Power Group Trades. Not yet. Okay, get yourself into Power Group Trades. But when you're ready, there's no rush. Study what I'm about, and make sure you send me the thing and have the profile. Yeah, Simon. Oh, yes, I know you are, sir. I know you are. I know you are. I recognize your name. Yeah, I recognize you. Hamd is new. I don't recognize that name. All right, people, have a good night. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and then don't forget to ask questions in the live stream. And Have a good night, people. Power Tricker Trade is out, people. Good night, people. Good night.